a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. What are we going to be doing in this episode, Kyla?
Today we will be featuring 7 out of 14 contestants in the Mommy Room Redo Linen Closet competition.
The winner will receive a $50 gift card, the Queen title for a year, a Mommy Room Redo YouTube feature, and more. The winner is selected by our viewers. Hang out until the end of this video for details on how to make your vote count. For now, let's get started. Pearl Island. When I got the package for this linen closet, I was thinking, what is really going on right now? Is this a place where I'm supposed to put my washcloths and towels? Or is this a place for date night? Essence Hill created a linen closet that's feminine, flawless, and fancy.
My favorite thing on the top is this beautiful bath jar. And you can see here, it's just filled with sponges and loofahs and soap and even some pearls back there, as well as bath bombs. Next row, we have just towels. These are some beautiful hotel collection towels. Over here is the bath box, and it has all the body washes. There's some additional loofahs in the back, but even the body washes have pearl essence on them. Over here is our hair basket organized with all of our hair products, even a pink flat iron and pink shampoo and conditioner. Next, we have our washcloths, some more towels with the hotel collection, and more washcloths all rolled up. And the next row, we have our toilet paper that is organized and stacked to perfection. But my favorite thing on this row are these towels that are rolled like a spa, and the little pops of pearl that you see featured here inside the middle of the towels. How cute. And that's really what makes this closet unique, is just adding some personal touches, and the pearls really give it that feminine accent, although there are hooks here for Mr. and Mrs. to hang bathrobes. The pearls just kind of give it that little feminine touch. And last, we have this beautiful ottoman that is filled with travel essentials, and then the sheets are over here in this ottoman.
For more personalized linen closet tips, follow Essence of Closets on Instagram.
Hi guys, my name is Danielle and I'm from Bumblemaid. We're the creators of O-Sheets and we are one of the sponsors of the Mommy Room Redo. I'd like to share with you 3 of our fun tips on how to quickly organize your linen closet. Our first tip is displayed here, and it's to roll up either your hand towels or your face cloths. It takes up less space and it looks a little bit more fun. Along with that, we like to put our face cloths in either a decorative tin or basket, and the cool thing about that is you can remove it from your linen closet and place it on your bathroom countertop. Our second tip is to only display the towels that you and your family use on a daily basis. It removes clutter and allows your closet to be not so much of a storage bin. Our final tip is to actually use our O-Sheets. And as you can see here, this is 8 sheet sets total. Pretty cool, right? The cool thing about our O-Sheets is you can quickly view which sheet set you're using and the size. Everyone competing in the Mommy Room Redo will receive 1 O-Sheet of their desired color. First place will receive 4 total, and second will receive 2. Everyone viewing, subscribing, or liking the Mommy Room Redo will receive a $5 off coupon on any O-Sheet purchase. We wish everyone the best of luck, and thank you so much for viewing.
Flower power. Creator Clarissa Coward must be my secret sister or something, because she has everything in her linen closet that I can totally relate to. I also have this iron and iron board caddy. And this blue gadget right here is a battery operated lint remover. And the flowers were such a beautiful surprise. What other items are in Clarissa's closet?
Disinfectant wipes. So I have those stored here as well. And then when we get down to the floor, the bin over here has hand sanitizer, hand wipes, and that sort of thing. Over here, and we have extra bathroom tissue. I have my...
For more homemaking videos, check out A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward on YouTube.
If you want to cast your vote in the Mommy Room Redo Linen Closet Contest, then make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below the name of your favorite linen closet.
Picture perfect. Have you ever heard of anyone hanging pictures in a closet? Well, check out Fran Holt. She beautifies her linen closet with special memorabilia.
So the pictures that I have here are pictures that were in my kids' rooms, nurseries, and I don't want to get rid of them because they're just gorgeous, and I'm hoping to give them to their kids. And then here's some that was in my son's room. They're just so adorable. So here's my chandelier. It's really not a chandelier, but it's a little light fixture that I put up there. It used to be in my hall closet, and I couldn't throw it away because I couldn't throw it away. I roll my towels. It's just easier. I roll my face cloths as well as my washcloths. And I also roll my sheets, pillowcases. Couldn't get it out. And as for the sheets, oh my God, that's a whole nother story. Absolutely not. We can't discuss that. And over here are my I keep all the light bulbs here, but I got to show you something really cool I got for Christmas. And I was like, why just go buy me this for Christmas? But look at this. So, you need a battery. You need a battery charger. You know what? We don't need to buy no batteries anymore. So, bam. Yeah, here is my closet. It's nice and neat. And it has, you know, everything in there that's just so nice and neat. I just love opening the door to the closet. It's really cool.
Black tie. Alima Trapp shows us her own linen closet redo. To be honest, I thought the before was cool, but she absolutely outdid herself with the redesign. What I liked best were her folded towels.
The key is really just uniformity, and for the size of the shelf in the linen closet, trying to make sure that you have enough room for the towel and the washcloth on the shelf. So this is the end product. We're going to show you how to do this to get this look. So basically, it's a very simple fold. You have the full towel. It's a pretty big towel. One of the larger bath towels. You fold it the long way. Get it all evened out. Clean look. For the face cloth, I simply fold in half with the tag on the inside, lining up the seams. I place the wet washcloth underneath the towel in the center and flip up. This helps me get enough space so that they fit on the shelf.
For more of Alima's tips and tricks for your linen closet, connect with her through Deets and Details on Instagram. Labelnista. Now, most of the contestants labeled items in their linen closets to some degree, but what struck me most about Sharia Collins was her extreme detail. Take a look.
As you can see, I don't have a huge linen closet. It's pretty average size, but I wanted to allow for more storage. And so if you look at over here, over the door hangers, I have this compartment for soap. I also use this compartment for like hand sanitizers. I have some pocket sanitizers as well that I keep in here. The best part about all of this is being able to have everything labeled. I made all the labels myself using my computer. I laminated them, so as you can see, they're laminated. It allows them to be pretty sturdy. I have them adhere to the baskets, and I don't have to worry about them falling off. I just hot glue them. But I love the fact that they're labeled because I don't have to search for anything. If I need to get to some sheets, I know where to go to get them. If my husband is trying to look for washcloths, he knows where to find them. And so it just definitely helps us all out.
If you want to get Sharia's linen closet labels for your own home, go to Pink Dazzle Prints on Etsy. The everything. When I initially reviewed Tina Tuitt's package, I teared up a bit. She talked about how she kept favorite items for family members. So she kept one thing for her niece, another thing for her aunt, bath bombs for her mom. And it just really made me think about her waiting for the moment that this pandemic would be over and family members could visit again. Let's take a look at her linen closet.
This is my guest bathroom, and in it has towels, washcloths, toilet paper, all that great stuff. The one thing that I do that may be of interest, I don't know if anybody else does this, but in my little kit I have extra toothbrushes and shaving cream and razors and stuff like that for the guys. For my family members who come here and may forget a toothbrush or something. So I think that's kind of neat. That's just one thing that I find when I go to people's houses and stay, that sometimes I forget that stuff. So my stuff box has baby powder and sunblock. Then everything has a little bit of everything in it. So it's leave-in conditioner, body wash, fingernail polish remover. The miscellaneous have all type of brushes and heat protectants. And down here I have extra curling irons that I no longer use, but just in case some family member comes and wants to use it, they are welcome to it. So I hope this helps you in some way or just gives you some ideas. But yep. When people come here, this is the guest closet.
All right, good people. So those are 7 of the 14 contestants. We'll see the remaining contestants next week. But for now, cast your vote for one of these 7. In order to do that, you need to do 3 things. Like this video, subscribe, and type your favorite linen closet name in the comments. Take care!